Oh.
You have to hold it.
Oh my gosh.
It's
It
cold.
feels, no, it feels so
Oh.
squirmy.
And then it,
We untouchable, uncrushable. We untouchable, uncrushable.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dr. Welcome back to Dr. Diane. If this is your first time, I'm Dorothy. Nice to meet you. If not, hi, welcome back. I am here with my tia, and she's teaching me how to clean whole fish. I know this might be a jump scare for some of you guys, but as a heads up, us Hondurans, everybody in the Caribbean, everyone outside of the United States eats whole fish. So I want to learn how to make it, and that's what we're doing.
you gotta do is here. Because some people leave still. I don't like it.
And then the fins,
Yeah.
the under fins.
I gotta put on my glove. Ya está el agua, mamá. Quita ese. Put them over here. Put this on water. My friend, he leave all this stuff. I told him no. I don't like
Take it out.
Yes.
If you're not gonna eat it, take it out.
That's right. Put on my glove.
Oh.
You have to hold it.
Oh my gosh.
It's
It
cold.
feels so
Oh.
squirmy.
And let me wash my hands.
Okay. And it feels so slimy. Oh my gosh.
Damn, it's just those guantes. Next time I have to order extra large. This glove I think is large.
Ew, it feels so slimy. Okay, así, tía.
Okay, put in there. Now what are the next one?
Este.
Yeah.
Ew!
You gotta put your glove. Wash your hand, put your glove.
Oh my gosh, this one looks even scarier.
Ponete los guantes.
Okay.
I called Marvin too, so I'm still waiting for Marvin. He said, I don't know when he come and get it. I told him because Thursday I got a doctor appointment for the therapy. He put me needles on my back, on my shoulder. ¿Cómo se llama eso?
Acupuncture.
Right. Yeah. They do it to me, so because I don't want a normal surgery in my back.
Yeah. Surgery is tough.
Nope. Just 50%. The people sometimes they stay forever in a wheelchair.
I have my scaler here, and then like this.
Yes. Try to hit it.
Okay.
Yeah, because like that you don't have to all over.
Oh, okay.
Yes, only we have to be clean here
Yeah.
after. Okay. Now we're gonna take those. All this we have to take it out. And that's why you have to clean it inside.
Eso parece como los liver.
Yeah, but we don't need this. Eso es liver de pescado. Eso no se come. Entonces tienes que cortar aquí y luego para abrirlo. Yeah, the glove is I think it's large. I have to order next time. I gotta order extra large. Yeah, because extra large. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, put it right here because I don't want to cut yourself.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
there?
right there.
And then, like this.
Right.
Ooh.
Right. Try hold here. Right.
Oh.
No, keep it going. Keep it going.
Okay.
Do something and get it comfortable for you. Yes, and the middle one. Right.
It's hard right here.
Yeah. You can do it.
There we
Right.
go. And
So
then?
you have to finish here, Mama. Put it like this.
Oh, all the way to the mouth.
Yes, all the way to the mouth. Okay, now take a scissor. Where's the scissor? Where we put it? Okay, you gotta do it here.
And now cut it
No,
open.
wait. Here. Okay. Here. Yes, this one, because this one is too big. Okay, now we finish inside. You have tricord. This one here.
Okay. So, this.
Yeah. Porque ese es el que le llaman la
The
galla.
gills.
Hay que sacárselo. Oh, wait, they get an egg.
There's an egg?
Yes. Este es huevo pescado.
Where's the egg?
Esto se fríe. Eso se come.
The
Ese es el huevo de pescado. That's the egg. You see?
Oh, this right here.
Right. Yeah.
Show the camera.
Este es el huevo.
Ew. So this was a girl fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Those are the babies. Okay, ahora ponlo acá. Okay, now you finished that.
Oh.
See, if you can, you put it by your hand and use the scissor. Yeah, right. That's how you have to do for to take it out.
Like that.
Yeah, now you pull it. Be careful your finger. No, mama. Here, like this. Because you'll be hurt yourself.
On the side.
All the way. Okay. Termina de sacarlo.
Ew.
Okay, put it in the bag.
So this was the teeth?
Right.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
Pon out. Okay, now you finish cleaning inside. No, usa la tijera where you can be doing it.
Oh.
You can do it by yourself. This. You like
Oh,
this?
all of that.
Yes. Porque tiene que sacarle todo ese sucio. Yeah, take your time. Okay, let me put it aquí. So now the rest not. Que esto todavía está sucio por dentro. Hay que sacarle.
And I just make the 3?
No,
2.
This one is only one. Tienes que hacerlo como este. Okay, here.
Okay.
So,
we go.
right, be careful of your finger.
Yeah. Just the other day, I cut my finger right there.
Yeah,
Real deep.
You have to be careful. You're working a white and a knife.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, this one the same thing.
This one's so little.
Yeah.
And this is to make sure that it like fries all the way inside.
Right. Yes. When you season it, you have to make sure que quede adentro the seasoning.
This one I think only 3 can fit. So now we just passing it through the clean water one more time before we season it.
Yes.
We're gonna season with this.
Yes.
Some salt, un poco de lemon pepper, garlic powder, some Tony Chachere's, some black pepper. I think the only thing I missed was onion powder.
The onion powder. That's our black pepper. Oh my God.
When it's getting up your nose.
Yeah, the black pepper. This is garlic. Oops.
Hey, sorry.
No, you get okay, because it'd be too spicy. El ajo sí, ponerlo suficiente. Sobra ahí se pone en una bolsa. Okay, you hold this here. And turn in the ish hole. Okay.
Let me put one in there.
Oh. Feet.
That's what only 2 can fit.
Dude, I'm gonna teach you.
Wait, let me put it in there.
Okay, now just let it cook. bonitos. I like those nuevos.
Okay, guys, I went to the watermelon lady here in Raleigh. Well, we're in Seafield, but either way, in Raleigh, because I used to live here, and I never went to her, and now she's viral on TikTok. And I got orange watermelon and pink pineapple. This watermelon was like 12, pineapple was like 10, but I think it was worth it. Let's see, we're gonna have a taste test.
Oh,
Cheers. It's good, right?
that's good. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's actually super sweet
That's good.
or if I'm saying it's sweet just because it's pink.
I don't know. That's good. It's like out of pineapple.
All right, y'all. This is the end of the video. As you see here, I got my whole plate. The fish, head to tail, eyes and all. A nice little salad, some plantains, and lime. For us Hondurans or Caribbean people as a whole, I feel like we often put lime on our fish. But yeah, I learned, y'all learned with me how to make fried whole fish. You could do the same exact steps, I guess, except the gutting and all that with slabs. But I like to have my fish whole, even though I barely eat fish. When I do eat it, I want it whole so I know I'm eating fish from the ocean fish, that fish. So, yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.